As for Simone Biles, in January, Sports Illustrated named her Athlete of the Year. She has won more Olympic and world medals than any other gymnast, and she has changed the face of gymnastics. Her greatest legacy may be her humanness. In Tokyo, she had negative self-talk running on repeat in her head. I wonder if anyone here can relate to that. I definitely can. She also cracked under the weight of other people's expectations. Psychologists and neuroscientists tell us both of these are very common and almost universally experienced human characteristics. And a large and famous Harvard study has discovered that people have two top regrets at the end of their lives. This is one of them. People say, I wish I hadn't spent so much time worried about what other people thought of me, about trying to meet other people's expectations. Dr. Zach Bush, a leading hospice doctor, echoes this. He hears some version of this at the end of most people's lives. People say, quote, I was performing the whole time. I was afraid to be me. I needed other people's approval or to meet other people's expectations to define who I was. Let's all learn from Simone Biles' humanness and embrace the fullness of our humanness now. Let's not wait until our deathbeds to cast off other people's expectations.